Hello everyone, my name is Arpit and we are in the Java series. Today our topic is operators. In this lecture, we are covering the arithmetic operators and increment and decrement operators. In this lecture, I will tell you about the operators. I will write the expressions for you and show the result. So, first start with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Main part of these operators are that you can apply on any data type like integer and integer, integer and float, float and float, character, all the data types we can apply these operators. There is one more arithmetic operator is modulus. So what do this operator do? I will show you. Suppose we have an equation 10 divided by 3 and we can store this in x and y equals to 10 modulus 3. So this will be the expression. So if we divide that, here it comes 3 and 9 and the remainder is 1. So this quotient is this and this remainder is this. So this operator, modulus operator gives remainder and division operator gives quotient. Now we are going to see the precedence of the operators. Multiplication, division and modulus. These are high precedence and plus and minus they have lower precedence. So if in any expression this comes first, the expression will solve this and then this. So if we want to change the precedence, we can use parenthesis. So let me show you with an example that this question is a plus b whole divided by 2. If we follow the precedence here, the division operator operates first. So if we have here 10 and here 6, the answer should be 10 plus 6, 16 divided by 2, 8. But 10 plus 6 divided by 2. Here, this will get solved first. 6 by 2, which is 3, and 10. 10 plus 3, which is 13. This will be our output. So the precedence always matters. So in the next example, we can see that a plus b whole divided by 2c. So here a plus b whole divided by 2 into c. But here there are two operators which have equal precedence. So what we can do that these operators have left to right associativity property. So whichever comes in the left will operate then the right one if they have same precedence order. B divides by 2, then the answer will get multiplied by C, then it will get added by A. So in our case, or B is 6, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 multiplied by C, suppose C is 2. So 3 will multiply by 2, which is 6, and it will get added by A, which is 10. So our output will be 16. So this is our precedence. In the next, which is A square minus B square, A multiplied by A minus B multiplied by B. So we are going from left to right. We will solve this first, then this first, or to clarify, we can add brackets. We have to solve this first or this first, then the output will get subtracted. So a square is 10 square, which is 100, minus 6 square, which is 36, which will give us 64 as the output. So these are the operators. Now we will move to the increment and decrement operator. Before moving to the increment and decrement operator, let me tell you the one important concept about coercion. Coercion means that, so internally Java changed the data types. Let me explain you with an example that if we are going to add byte plus byte or int plus float, short plus short or int plus short, the whole output of this will be integer. So internally Java change the data types and then solve the equations. So this conversion is called coercion, the increment and decrement operators. Suppose we have x equals to 5, then x plus plus x plus plus x. This x plus plus will give output 6. This plus plus x will also give output 6. So this both are meant to be increase the value of any number. So what is the main difference? Suppose we have y equals to x plus plus. This means that there are two operators, equals to and double plus. So the precedence here is the equals to operator will work first, that whatever is inside the x will get assigned to y, then it will increment the value of x. What would be the value of y here is 5, y equals to 5, then x would be 6. Let me show you with another example, like if we have 55, x equals to 55, then y equals to plus plus x, then y would be that this operator will work first, that it will increase the value of x by 1, like it will become 56, then it will get assigned in the y, then y would be equals to 56 and x would be 55. The increased value of x would be inside the y and x remains the same. But here we have seen that x, the value of x is inside the y, increase the value of x by 1. This is the post operator, this is the pre operator. Similarly, for negative symbol, y equals to x negative negative, then whatever the value inside x will come inside the y, then x will decrease by 1. So here y would be 5 and x would be 4. Similarly, for pre-decrement operator, y equals to negative negative x. So whatever inside the value of x, here 5, will get decrement first, which means it will become 4. Then 4 will get inside the y. So y here is 4 and x remains the same as 5. So this is the value of increment and decrement operators. In further classes, we are going to use a count variable, count plus plus. We mainly use this increment operator inside the while loop. So we will see this in future classes. So that's all for now. Please stay tuned. Thank you.